Here's a new arrival in Ballinacarriga, West Cork. New Holland Combine. Believe it's the only one in West Cork, well in Cork County I think. A lovely looking machine, brand spanking new. I'll come round this side now and get the number of it. Up there's the cab, big all round view. Pipe work everything. That's the model CX6090. Brand spanking new. There's a good bit of work for it too. There's the back end of it with the chute. Ladder up the back, that takes you up to the fuel tank I believe. So big I can hardly get it in my camera. New Holland. It's replacing a John Deere which did 15 years of good service. He's hoping for the same for this one. This week I think it's going into action, and I'll take some more film of it then. Here's another front view from the side. You can see the cabin and the big rollers on the front. The panel's been raised and we're looking at the interior now. Chains, belts, every kind of a thing going. Don't ask me what they are though. Jeez. There's some bits and pieces in there, no mistake. Just discovered the exhaust pipe up there, the side of it. Oh my god. The drive for the wheels, I'm told.